Hey guys,
Hey,
I'm riding Banana.
I'm Green Apple. Oh, there I am.
It's opposite. And Green Apple wants to beat me up.
Yeah, I've been threatening to kick his butt for a long time. He just irritates me.
Well, here's a good way to get rid of the bullies at your school. Go ahead, Apple, I'm ready.
And don't try this at home, people.
Yeah, okay,
And also, don't try it at your school.
okay.
Okay.
Here we go. I'm bleeding to death!
Oh!
Oh my god! Comment on this video.